to ask him about his IPR related thing, he is always there. So he is there today. It's a really great occasion for all of us. Dr. Kanika Malik, she is working with the patent system, copyright system for the last 20 years. So you can know what sort of expert she is having. They will have a talk also. Then we have some experts like the professionals, Dr. Chaudhary sir, who is basically talking about the GIs. GIs is something which is very important, and he has got an experience with reference to GI of Kala Namak. So we have a special lecture, and Ashish Sharma, advocate, he is there. He is basically related with the filing of the patents, and he is already there at the Madan Mohan Malviya Technical University. So he is he will be talking about the technicalities of the patent filings. So this is all about the programs, and we wish that for the students, for the faculty members, try to interact with them, and that will be definitely fruitful for all of us. With this few words, thank you all for all who are present. Thank you very much.